Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2023 Toyota Sienna. This is a XLE Toyota Sienna with the VMI NorthStar. So VMI went through and they added this lowered skirting on the front here and around all four sides. This is because the vehicle has a lowered floor. The floor has been lowered quite a bit. That gives us that opening height at the door that we need for the wheelchair user to come in. So overall, beautiful car, brand new, the new conversion. How that works is we make sure the car is unlocked. Then we press and hold on the door button here on that right passenger side. That's going to initiate the door open sequence. Once that door is open and clear, then the ramp will start coming out. And then this vehicle has a kneeling feature on it as well. So it actually is compressing that rear shock back here and lowering the vehicle. This reduces that ramp angle to about 9 degrees. So really ideal for any wheelchair user, whether it be in a power or manual chair. And then inside, the floor has obviously been lowered, like I said. You can see all the modifications that have been done here. An extension of the interior plastic here. Those rear seats kind of sat where the original floor height was. And then the front seats have these pedestals underneath them, so they're removable. So you do have a wheelchair location here in the mid row or up front if you want to remove one of those seats. They are interchangeable seats if you ever needed to do that. And then this is an XLE, so it's got leather heated seats. This is XLE Plus, so it has the Qi wireless charger. Front and rear AC. This has the Toyota Safety Sense, pre-collision avoidance, lane keep assist, and all those suite of safety features on it. So very nice setup vehicle. This is actually the #1 selling wheelchair accessible vehicle is the Toyota Sienna with the XLE package. And then you can hit any of the interior buttons from Toyota or from the conversion manufacturer VMI to operate everything. What's nice if you ever use the VMI button is it does flash green when the ramp is closing and opening. So you can't take off and get the vehicle out of park until that has stopped flashing. There's an interlock feature so you don't drive with the ramp out. We do have a ramp on and off switch over here. So if you ever needed to take it somewhere that they weren't familiar with wheelchair vehicles, you could turn that ramp off. And then you can turn that kneeling feature off. You would do it now when the vehicle is raised back up, and then the next time you did it, you hit the ramp open sequence, it would not kneel. This also does have the advanced keyless features where you can lock the car with your finger as long as the key is within close proximity. And then it does have the power trunk. Rear parking sensors. And then this one does come with the set of the nice retractor straps. So the wheelchair user would be tied down in 4 places using those straps. And then it does come with the seat belt. So that way all the wheelchair users are nice and secure. Overall, very beautiful car. Like I said, it's one of the #1 selling vehicles that are set up like this. It actually is the #1. So thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. Take care.